Hi, this is the spreadsheet for making tax digital for property landlords. So what we have here is we have the landlord's name, the start of the quarter and the end of the quarter. All of the data that we're entering for rents received in that quarter goes onto our rent received tab. So we enter the date of each transaction that occurred in the quarter. So if we put the tenant's name as Jack, property number 76, what's very important is the quarterly filing analysis. Now, in the main, this is going to be rent received, but there are other options. If you're in receipt of rent-a-room income, if you have a premium for the grant, a reverse premium, if you've received other income for the property, or if it's capital introduced and we're going to exclude it from the income tax. So we're simply going to select rent received, and we've received £995 worth of gross rent. We're going back onto row 14, property number 78 from Tom. Again, rent received, £995, and we continue to do this for each transaction in the quarter. On the opposite side, on the rental expenses tab, we need to enter all of the transactions in this quarter for you as the landlord. So again, we're recording the date of the transaction. Any reference that we want to put in there, we can. I've paid monies to Jack Smith for some repairs at number 85. So on my quarterly filing analysis, I need to familiarise myself with all of the options on this compulsory drop-down. So it's property repairs and maintenance in this instance, and I paid him £100. On the 1st of April 26, I paid the management company the management fees for the £995 that I received on my rental income. So from there, I put that into legal, management and other professional fees. So I paid £95. So again, I need to put all of the transactions that are rental expenses that I've incurred in the quarter onto this tab by simply just continuing to populate the rows. What this is doing is summarising all of this information in our quarterly filings total to give us the summarisation of rental income that I've received and the expenses that I've incurred broken down into the analysis that will go on my final assessment, and we can see my totals here for my income and my expenses. This is the information that will be submitted on a quarterly basis once we've reviewed your spreadsheet using our bridging software. Thank you.